I'm not the type's gotta have someone. I'm not the type's gotta be in love. I had a lot of people come and go, and plus anyway, I'm used to being solo. But it was good when you came to me. You were the one to make me believe that life could be better, that we could get by together. Come sit down, let's celebrate this love we found. Cause we know this is real. I'm about to let you know, I gotta let you know that.
Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. And if you like my content, feel free to like, share, subscribe, click that notification down below, that bell thingy on the right, so you'll be notified each time I post a video. In today's video, I'll be doing a crochet bob. Without further ado, let's get to it. This is how the hair came. It came in a package of 5. And I'll be using the Jamaican Bounce in the color SOM1B Burgundy.
As long as we stay together,
this is how the hair look, guys. I don't know why this hair is the worst reviewed hair on Amazon. Each pack of hair has a total of 15 strands, guys. Now this is my braiding pattern. I'll be doing the normal crochet method and I won't be separating the hair, so I'll just be crocheting the hair as it is.
We be eating ice cream and cake. We going through life like it's our birthday. Party on 22.
I'll be crocheting the hair like 2 finger widths apart because after I've finished, I'll be separating the curls.
Good food, you're from that place, you're from my place. Can't relate to where I'm going. I can take it anywhere, I can take it anywhere. So call me back. They know you and me not place. Meet my family. We about to go up. We about to go one. They know you like my family. They know you better be at this party. They know meet my family. Come on, I can take it anywhere. So call me back. They know you and me better be at this party. Baby, won't you come? Can't relate to what I've been through. So baby, I'm glad I found you. Make me smile. You like good food. You're from that place. You're from my place. Can't relate to where I'm going, but I can take you anywhere, you know it. Oh, you make me laugh. You like good food. You're from that place. You're from my place. This is for my babies. My beautiful baby. Today I saw you all stressed out. You couldn't even leave the house. All of this pressure you put on yourself. I think you're beautiful. I don't want nobody else. And even if you let your hair go wild and your feet take a break from your favorite stilettos, you're naturally my favorite girl, hands down. And that's how it's gonna be, you and me. So no now. You know how to put on makeup every day, and I love your natural hair that way. Pretty in the world is your smiling face. Cause baby, I love it that's how it's gonna be, you and me. So no, now you don't have to put on makeup every 'cause baby, I love your natural hair that way. Pretty in the world is your smiling face. 'Cause baby, I love it's natural. Baby, you don't have to put on red high heels. You look good when you don't even try. That's for real. Perfect as you are, you don't have to change. Baby, I love it's natural. And even if you let your hair go wild, you can take a break from your favorite stilettos. You're naturally my favorite girl. You're naturally my favorite. That's how it's gonna be, you and me. So no now. And even if you let your hair go wild and your feet take a break from your favorite stilettos, you're natural.
Now I'll be separating the curls.
Go hands down, and that's how it's gonna be, you and me. So no now. To put on makeup every day, and I love your natural hair that way. Pretty in the world is your smiling. 'Cause baby, I love it's natural. You don't have to put on red high heels. You look good when you don't even try. That way, pretty in the world is your smiling face. 'Cause baby, I love it's natural. You don't have to put on red high.
I'm taking my scissors and cutting the hair, guys.
Real perfect as you are, you don't have to change. 'Cause baby, I love it's natural. Everything to me, words and memories are wasted. They don't capture.
I am going in with my mousse to tame the flyaways.
All my pain wants us to be together. All my love tells you rest forever. You were my angel in life. I didn't know angels could die. I hear your voice call in the night. You tell my heart you're alive. Heaven has a reason to light the sky.
And this is my final look, you all. I'll leave the link in the description down below, so if you're interested, guys, you can check the hair out. Remember, guys, leave your girl some love, like, share, subscribe, and all of those good stuff. Until next time, guys, walk good. See you on the next one.
And memories are fading, but I know you walk with me. I hold to what we create.